Hello, and welcome to your complete lesson on YouTube growth. Many people dream of building a successful YouTube channel, but with over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, how do you actually stand out? You might be searching for that one last method to win always, but the truth is, sustainable growth isn't about a single secret. It's about combining proven timeless strategies with an understanding of where the platform is headed right now. Think of it like being the captain of a ship. You need to know the timeless principles of sailing, how to read the stars and manage your sails, but you also need to know how to use the latest technology, like modern radar and weather forecasts, to navigate today's waters effectively. This lesson will give you both the classic star map and the modern radar for your YouTube journey. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the foundational pillars of any successful YouTube channel, explain how to optimize your videos for YouTube's algorithm with practical examples from top creators, implement a multi-format content strategy, strategically using both shorts and long-form video, synthesize these timeless and modern strategies into a cohesive growth plan for a channel. Overview of content. First, we will cover the timeless fundamentals of growth, confirmed by today's top creators and expert publications. This includes the frequency over perfection mindset and core optimization strategies. Then we will dive into the winning strategies for 2025, focusing on the hybrid content model, shorts plus long form, leveraging AI, and building a community. All key strategic points are supported by recent research and references.
Content delivery. A. Core concepts, the timeless fundamentals of growth. These are the strategies that have the timeless fundamentals of growth. These are the strategies that have stood the test of time and are non-negotiable for success. Mindset. Frequency beats perfection. Many new creators get stuck obsessing over the perfect camera or script and never post. But successful creators know that clarity comes through action. Your 50th video will be better than your first, but only if you actually make 50 videos. Committing to a regular posting schedule builds momentum and is the single best way to improve. Practical example. Instead of spending a month planning one perfect video, challenge yourself to post one video every week for a month. This forces you to learn faster and gives the algorithm 4 chances to find your audience, not just one. Content quality. Say something worth saying. Your videos must solve a problem, educate, or entertain. As publications like HubSpot emphasize, channels succeed when they provide clear value. If your content could have been made by anyone, it will be forgotten by everyone. The key is to bring your unique angle to every video. Practical example. A channel reviewing movies could stand out by focusing on a unique niche, like analyzing the psychology of villains or explaining the economics of Hollywood. This is far more memorable than a generic review. Platform optimization, YouTube SEO. You must help the algorithm understand what your video is about. This involves mastering keywords in your titles and descriptions, and most importantly, creating eye-catching thumbnails. Practical example, title and thumbnail. Weak title, My Garden. Strong title, 5 beginner mistakes that are killing your tomato plants and how to fix them. Thumbnail description, a clear image showing a healthy tomato plant on one side and a dead one on the other with your face showing a surprised expression. Text overlay, stop doing this. Audience engagement, build a community, not just an audience. Successful creators treat their viewers like collaborators. This means actively responding to comments, asking questions to start conversations, and making viewers feel like part of your channel's journey. Hootsuite and other experts confirm that this community building is vital for loyalty. Practical example. Creator group Fathercraft credits their biggest growth to this mindset, stating, "We always treat our viewers like collaborators, not subscribers." At the end of a video, instead of "please subscribe," try a CTA like, "If this video helped you solve a problem, subscribe so you never miss another straight answer." B. The winning strategy today, adapting to 2025's YouTube. Now for the modern radar. This is the hybrid strategy top creators are using right now, based on recent CEO statements and platform trends. 1. The hybrid content model. Shorts for reach, long form for loyalty. The debate is over. You shouldn't choose between shorts and long form videos. The answer is to use both, but for different purposes. Shorts are powerful for expanding your reach and attracting new viewers. Long-form content is where you provide depth and value, converting those new viewers into loyal subscribers. Data-driven example. Creator Anna Tyree, 1.1 million subscribers, found that 20% of her new viewers come from shorts, but 96% of her actual subscribers come from her longer videos. Practical strategy. Post 1 long-form video per week to serve your core audience and 2 or 3 shorts per week to attract new eyes. For example, a long-form video on full guide to making sourdough bread can be promoted with shorts like 30-second tip, how to feed your sourdough starter. 2. Hooking viewers in the first 3 seconds. With short-form content dominating, the first few seconds are everything. Your hook must be fast-paced and engaging, using quick cuts and dynamic visuals. The goal is to immediately stop the scroll. A cooking short shouldn't start with a slow intro. It should start immediately with the most satisfying shot, sizzling garlic in a pan or melted cheese being pulled apart before explaining what the recipe is. 3. Leverage new platform tools. YouTube is increasingly leveraging AI to assist creators and expanding monetization options. As CEO Neil Moen has stated, the goal is to build a sustainable creator economy. AI for creation. Look for AI-powered features in YouTube Studio that can suggest video titles or even help edit content, streamlining your workflow. Expand your monetization. Don't rely only on ads. Explore channel memberships for exclusive content or super thanks to allow viewers to tip you directly on a video you loved.
Now let's pause and think critically. Imagine you have a channel where you teach people how to repair bicycles. Based on the hybrid content model, what is one example of a long-form video title and one example of a shorts video title that would work together to grow your channel? Example of a good response. A long-form video titled "The Ultimate Guide to Adjusting Your Bike's Gears" is great for building loyalty with serious cyclists. A short titled "Your Bike Gears Clicking? Try this 30-second fix" is exactly the kind of fast, high-value content that attracts new viewers who are searching for a quick solution. Does seeing how top creators balance these different strategies bring up any questions for you? For example, about how to manage the workload or come up with ideas for both formats? Synthesis and application. A. Summarize key points. Mindset is key. Ditch perfectionism and prioritize a consistent posting schedule to learn and grow faster. Say something unique. Don't just rehash content. Bring your unique perspective and solve a specific problem for your niche. Master the hybrid model. Use shorts as advertising to attract new viewers and use long-form videos as your main product to build a loyal, subscribed community. Build community. Treat your viewers like collaborators and use all the tools YouTube provides, comments, polls, memberships, to foster a strong connection. B. Apply the knowledge. Your task. Create a mini strategy. Channel idea. DIY home repair for renters, a channel focused on teaching people temporary and damage-free fixes for common apartment issues. Instructions. Define your content pillars. List 3 to 5 core topics you'll cycle through to keep content fresh, e.g., wall and paint fixes, simple plumbing, kitchen hacks, damage-free decorating. Plan a hybrid week. Propose 1 long-form video title and 2 shorts titles for a single week of content. Write an engaging CTA. Write a call to action at the end of a video that encourages both comments and subscriptions, inspired by the expert advice we reviewed. C. Extend the learning. You now have a robust framework for thinking about YouTube growth. To continue your learning, I highly recommend exploring this topic further. Analyze channels. Watch videos from the creators mentioned, like Anna Tyree or Father Craft, and actively analyze how they apply these strategies. Read the articles. Publications like Forbes, Hootsuite, and The Verge offer even more tips and creator insights. Experiment.
The only way to know what works for your audience is to test these strategies. Track your analytics to see which video formats drive subscribers and which drive views.
Conclusion. A. Recap learning objectives. Fantastic work today. You can now identify the core pillars of YouTube success, explain how to optimize your content with expert examples, and implement a sophisticated multi-format content strategy. You are now equipped with the same framework that top creators are using to grow in 2025. B. Provide encouragement. You have a clear, realistic, and powerful understanding of what it truly takes to grow on YouTube. Remember that consistency compounds. By applying these timeless and modern strategies, you are setting yourself up for sustainable, long-term success. C. Preview next steps. The next step is to put this into practice. Start creating, analyzing your results, and adapting your strategy. Each video is a learning opportunity that will get you closer to your goals. Good luck! References. How to get more views on YouTube. 13 tactics that actually work. HubSpot. Access July 5th, 2025. How to grow your YouTube channel. 20 tips. Hootsuite. Access July 5th, 2025. YouTube Creator Academy. YouTube Studio Analytics. Access July 5th, 2025. YouTube CEO Neil Mohan on Shorts, AI, and the Creator Economy. The Verge. Interview with Neil Mohan. Access July 5th, 2025. YouTube Shorts Monetization and Growth Updates. YouTube Official Blog. Access July 5th, 2025. Neil Mohan's Vision for YouTube. AI, Shorts, and Creator Tools. TechCrunch. Access July 5th, 2025. YouTube's Commitment to the Creator Economy. YouTube Official Blog. Statement from Neil Mohan. Access July 5th, 2025. Building Community on YouTube. Insights from the CEO. YouTube Creator Channel. Access July 5th, 2025. YouTube's Approach to Responsible AI. Google AI Blog. Related to YouTube's broader AI strategy. Access July 5th, 2025. Insights from creators and publications like Forbes, integrated based on general industry knowledge and recent trends. Access July 5th, 2025.